To prevent snow and ice from damaging the vents on your roof, install the Kuma Snow Destroyer for vents. The Snow Destroyer braces your vent and divides the snow around it. Start by bolting the small strap brackets to the tip of the blade. Next, install the right angle bracket to either side of the blade. If your vent is near a rib, install the bracket so that it will not interfere with the rib. Later on, when you install the second bracket, you will be able to place it on the opposite side of the blade or on the same side of the blade as needed. After tightening the bracket, clamp the blade to your vent pipe using the hose clamp provided. Leave the hose clamp a little bit loose. Apply a bead of silicone underneath the bracket, or you can use 1/2 inch wide butyl tape under the bracket. Using the roofing screws provided, screw down the bracket to the roof. Your roof must have at least 1/2 inch thick sheeting underneath the metal. Next, bolt the offset bracket to the opposite side of the blade. If needed, it can be bolted to the same side of the blade as shown here. Apply silicone sealant or butyl tape to the offset bracket, then tighten the bolts. Screw the bracket down using the roofing screws provided. Finish tightening the hose clamp and clip off the excess strapping if desired. Bend the snow wedge so that the flanges touch as shown here. Slip the wedge onto the blade and attach with carriage bolts and nuts. Tighten the nuts and the installation is complete. Here's an example showing how to install the brackets when the vent pipe is near a rib. When the vent pipe is directly centered on a D-style rib, you can use only the offset bracket, screwing it down to the roof, then toe-nailing it into the side of the rib. Make sure and use sealant on all screw penetrations. Whether your vent is centered between two ribs, or it exits close to a rib, or is directly centered above a rib, the Snow Destroyer vents will protect it from sliding snow.